How to add Blogger sitemap to Google Console. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First off, open up your blogger.com and find your blog. Once your blogger.com is open, make sure to log into your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. First thing you need to know is how you can create a sitemap. It's quite easy. So let me just show you guys. First thing you can do is go to settings and then turn off this option where it says crawlers and indexing. Make sure to turn off the robots.txt. Go to your bloggers.com and then type in here at the URL /robots.txt, and here you have your sitemap generated. So let me just go ahead and open my blog again. Now open a new tab and go to Google Console. Once you open up Google Console, tap on it to open it up and go to Google Console Tools. So click on the second link and click on Start Now and log into your account. So what you're going to have to do is first enter your blogger.com's URL. So let me just go ahead and copy this URL and then paste it right here. Click on Continue. We'll check for verification, and the ownership is auto-verified. Now click on Go to Property. All right, so once you are here, if you have multiple links, just go ahead and select your blogger.com's link, then go to Sitemaps. And now you are just going to have to go to the sitemap that you've just generated. I'm just going to copy this URL right here, then go here and then paste it. Click on Submit and wait for a bit. And as you can see, your sitemap has been successfully added. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.